Tell Home Depot to stop selling cruel glue traps and gluing animals to boards to slowly die and dehydrate to death. Tell Home Depot to stop selling cruel glue traps. Bees, butterflies, frogs, lizards, even birds and mice and rodents are slowly dehydrated to death by cruel glue traps. Tell Home Depot to stop selling these torture devices. It's humans that are the invasive pests who've killed off 69% of wildlife in just 50 years, while humans have doubled. Use humane methods, like sound devices, deterrents like lavender, peppermint, and catch and release traps. Sign petitions to ban cruel glue traps. Tell Home Depot to stop abusing animals. They slowly dehydrate to death and rip off their own limbs. Tell Home Depot to stop selling cruel glue traps.
I know, but anyway, we should get back here. I think a lot of people don't know.
No, they don't. We find that out.
Tell Home Depot to stop selling cruel glue traps.